The Dakota Automation louver tree assembly machine is the most automated and advanced louver tree system on the planet. These machines automate louver drilling and pin insertion while building the louver tree with automated staple action. With the rail and louvers loaded to the machine, a button push begins the process. Louvers are stapled as they are automatically fed into the machine. With a second automated staple, the louvers are secured to the rail. Between the stapler stations, louvers are drilled and pins are inserted into the holes. Customized bowl feeders feed both standard and tension pins into the insertion station. An optional router station can be included in the system to perform the rear tilt notch fabrication. The Dakota Automation louver tree assembly machine represents best-in-class performance and reliability. These easy-to-use machines fully automate the louver tree assembly process and enable our customers to better utilize manpower and floor space while improving quality and productivity. Whether you're a small shop struggling to free up vital resources or a large manufacturer looking to grow, we have the louver tree equipment to support your needs. It's automation with innovation at Dakota Automation.